How's it look?
There's definitely oil coming out still.
You want me to get more brake clean?
Yeah, probably. Well, it brings it out of the metal. Doesn't really burn off, but the hotter it gets, all the oil that's impregnated into the housing and stuff will come out to the surface, then we can clean it off.
Oh! Okay? Holy shit!
Is that on camera?
I thought we both died.
Good thing I wasn't wearing shorts.
Oh. So Jeremy, tell them what your plan is.
I'm gonna weld this gear to the side of the case, these two gears to the side of the cases, and weld between all four of the gears on both sides. And that'll lock it for life, as they say. Oh, you wanna look?
Look at it.
So I layered that up and welded, because this makes like a natural V, and just start at the root and filled it up as much as I could.
Pretty cool. Zam, dude, that thing's looking mint. Look at those welds. He says,
Done. I went and did another pass to fill that up more there. I got all the gears welded together. They're all welded to the case, except for this one. It's not welded to the case because I can't reach it. But
yeah, that looks pretty beefy to me.
you know, weld that center shaft, but I only got one side. But it's like too oily now.
Yeah.
I don't want to like try to weld it. I never plate them because usually the plates just crack off and they become shrapnel.
Yeah, I don't want that.
So even if this breaks, it doesn't break catastrophically.
Right.
It just works as a very crunchy open diff again, like mine did.
That makes sense.
Yeah, if you have a plate weld in there and it does inevitably break, which I've seen a lot of them do, they usually shoot that piece of metal through the case, as they usually fail at speed. I've seen a couple bust holes through diff covers, destroyed pinion gears, and
Yikes.
this way, if it breaks, you know, so the pieces that break off are going to be smaller.
Right.
Will likely won't destroy everything really badly.
That makes sense. Yeah, I trust that. Good work, man.
Thank you.
High five.